In the era of new trend digital manufacturing or Industry 4.0 revolution, there is an increase in the demand of engineers for designing a CAD CAM CAE. As you can see the current scenario with rise in the product designing, Unigraphics NX is a sophisticated high-end CAD CAM CAE software system package for the creation of world-class engineering architecture. It is used among different tasks for styling, engineering analysis, manufacturing finished design by victimization enclosed machining module.
So in this course, you will get to know the deeper fundamentals on how to use powerful Linux software to create world-class engineering architecture. This course is led by the instructor with 15 plus years of experience in top renowned OEM like Tata Motors and Daimler Mercedes-Benz. Now let's see what you will learn in this course.
Part modeling and assembly of parts to create a product, establishing connection for complex assembly, designing a complicated models, learn to create complex shapes using surface modeling features, drafting of geometries. You will learn the industrial approach for design and development, which will be useful in any job as well as in business. You will get to know the parametric based approach to design your model, and also the case study of an industrial project which will enhance your skill set in your CV. So register fast and experience the direct learning from inside the industry with experts.